What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on our cheat day series. This is video number 5, and today for breakfast we ended up going to Snooze AM Eatery. It's a place that we've gone to about 4 times already, both here in Phoenix and in San Diego. It's really good. So what I got was a 4-egg omelet with barbacoa. This is gonna be hard to show. 2 servings of barbacoa, which you can see over here, barely. And then a serving of bacon that's inside. And then I have an order of hash browns on the side, and then 2 pieces of toast.
So I went with their pancake flight. So the flight comes with 3 pancakes, and you can choose different pancake for each one of them. I love their pineapple upside down pancakes, so I actually went 2 of those. And then I haven't had their cinnamon roll pancake, but I love cinnamon rolls. Maybe you guys have noticed. So I went with one of those. So I think that these 2 are the pineapple upside down, and this one is the cinnamon roll. You can kind of see like the pineapple chunks on there, and then the brown sugar, and then a little bit of cinnamon swirl on here. Yep, and then I also have a side of hash browns. We're super excited to dig in.
Yours looks so much better than mine because an omelet is just like folded over eggs. There's nothing special to see. That's nice.
And then obviously ketchup for the hash browns.
We don't have anything to drink breakfast wise, so we just have this for now.
All right, first bite. And then these have a bunch of, I don't even know. It's not syrup, like you don't really need syrup. Sugar, there's a lot of sugar on it. Frosting, I guess frosting would be a good word. So I probably wanted some syrup, but it didn't come with any, but it's not really needed. So that's kind of what it looks like.
Bro, this is a piece of bacon. Jesus. Like the biggest piece of bacon I've ever seen.
Mm-hmm.
How's it?
Okay. Come and dig into the cinnamon roll. This one's a lot fluffier. The hash browns are good.
Mm-hmm.
A little shot of hash brown here. Ketchup on it, of course. Do you want to try either one of them?
Sure.
Which one? Cinnamon roll?
Yeah. What's it on top?
I don't know.
Doesn't look like cinnamon roll bits or anything.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So the cinnamon roll is good, but I think the pineapple upside down is still my favorite.
This is the barbacoa. That's really good.
Let me get a little bite. That's the bacon? Is that what you said?
Mm-hmm.
Stealing his food since day 1.
For real, since day 1.
That's good. Really good. Make it your own when you can steal your husband's.
I don't have a husband to steal from. It doesn't work for me.
Nope. Perks of being a female. Do you want to try the pineapple upside down?
Sure. I'm pretty sure I had it last time too, right? But I don't remember it.
You definitely had it.
You said this one's better.
I like it.
I like that one better. Cinnamon roll.
Is this one too sweet for you?
I don't know.
Do you not like pineapples? Are you against
I love
pineapples? That's a good shot right there. It's kind of more of the center. It has all the pineapples and gooiness. The simplicity of bread sometimes, huh? It's a
Yeah.
good toast. Is it toasted? No, it's not, huh?
I don't think so. That's weird.
Mm-hmm.
I want like 3 more orders of the hash browns.
They're good. They have a lot of seasoning in them. If any of you have ever tried Snooze, let us know what your favorite dish is down below. Maybe we'll give it a try next time we go. I plan on going again probably soon. Really like it there.
Tomorrow.
We also still have no idea what we're eating for lunch or for dinner. Today's just gonna be a total surprise.
To everyone.
We'll see what we feel like.
Ooh, mine's all gone.
Want some more of mine? It's a pretty nice change of pace from donuts.
That's my Gatorade, by the way.
Took a lot of training to get him to share, but I managed, so never give up hope if you're struggling. I don't know what to eat first. Maybe save savory for last.
Lucky. Where's my other one?
Another omelet?
This.
You only ordered one.
It's too quiet in here. Where are the cats?
Milo's sitting on the refrigerator.
I see a tail hanging down.
All right, last bite of this delicious pancake.
Mmm. How's that bite?
Good. Still have the yummy hash browns left.
I have to hide food right here for when I finish early. Just start taking out like a payday or something.
Maybe you should savor your food more.
No, that's a terrible idea.
What was I thinking? Oops. Right, last bite of breakfast.
It's so cold.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably that we didn't have the coffee this time.
Oh yeah.
Every morning I have a coffee right here.
All right, so that is gonna be it for breakfast. Like I said, it's basically a complete surprise of what we're gonna do for lunch or for dinner. But when we know, you will know because you will see us then. All right, take care. We'll see you. Hey everyone, welcome back to lunch. So we ended up going and getting some Thai food. We don't get Thai food too often, so if we mispronounce stuff, I'm really sorry. The name of the restaurant that we went to was Thai Chili To Go, and I ended up getting, this is what I don't really know how to say, pad siu. If you know how to say it, let me know. That's what I have, and for those who don't know, I believe it's like just the rice noodles. It has chicken, broccoli, egg, and some soy sauce in it. And then we have some spring rolls as well that we'll be sharing. Some type of, I hope it's like a sweet and spicy sauce. And then I just went with the medium spiciness level because I like a little spice, but not to where it's killing me that I can't taste my food.
I went with the Thai chow mein. And I got the hottest spice level that they had. She told me that it smelled really spicy. I actually haven't smelled it. I don't know.
You can see all the like chili flakes on it though.
I'll let you guys know, but
Yeah.
I tend to handle heat pretty well.
Yep. You can tell by our first video ever where we tried the spicy noodle challenge how we differ when it comes to spiciness. But I'm really excited to get
I'm gonna drop everything.
to dig
here.
into this.
This bowl filled like to the top. Yep, that's spicy.
Try to get a good shot for you here. Ooh, oops. Right in the battery. Clean that up really quick.
Ooh, that's spicy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Dang it.
Hmm.
I'm gonna give it a shot here.
Mm. That's good.
How's the heat?
Good, but it's like hot, you know, like you can see the steam coming off of it. So that always makes it a little bit spicier. But other than that, it's good. Making a mess.
I know. You can show a little more variety here. Oh no, oh no.
Spicy? Or just kind of spicy?
That's pretty spicy. I wouldn't say it's the worst thing I've ever had. Spice-wise.
I didn't know they like wrote on the things like the spice level on the container.
Where?
Look on the side. Yeah.
Oh.
He's still playing over there. I'm gonna smell this sauce here. Yeah, it's kind of maybe like a sweet and sour sauce. I don't know.
These are good.
Try some of this sauce.
Ah. What is that sauce?
I guess it's sweet and sour.
It's a lot more sweet than sour. We bought our cat a new toy today, so I think you can hear it in the background.
Trying to keep him distracted.
Maybe he won't jump on the table this time.
Trying to train him, but man, kittens are tough. Especially when they're not scared of the spray bottle.
He'll stare dead in the face of that spray bottle. I'm like, what are you gonna do?
Mm-hmm. That's a pretty big piece of chicken. Nice and tender. I love broccoli.
Yeah, broccoli's good.
Especially with the like soy sauce. Got some spice to the throat there. Ooh.
My lips are burning.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it that bad?
No.
If your lips are burning, that's bad.
Yeah, I guess.
In my opinion. That's the too spicy to enjoy it for your food, you know?
No. You like it?
Mm-hmm. But I like this better, so I'd rather keep eating this.
Came with a lot of vegetables.
Yeah. Man, that's a lot of broccoli. But, like I said, I like it. If you're not medium, this is pretty... It's kind of a little bit spicy for me.
Would you prefer to go on with the mild? Or is this probably...
No, this is good. It gets a good flavor. These are kind of the levels that it goes. Is that focusing? Mild, medium, hot, and Thai hot. So I went to medium and he's at Thai hot and I'm like kind of dying over here. Yeah. He's a freak of nature. Okay, maybe not that bad, but
I'm really nothing special. Just a normal person.
no. You gonna finish before me again?
Okay, I'll stop.
No. I feel like you used to eat faster. I feel like you've actually slowed down a little bit. Just keeps falling.
When I stop eating this, the burning sensation just gets like dramatically worse. Maybe that's why I kept eating.
I can't get the last bits here. All gone. You want that one?
Okay.
Well, I don't want it. I'm saying.
Oh, well then yes.
Then yes, you'll take it. We also decided to get some dessert for today, so we'll be grabbing that in a minute.
I think because this is hot.
Oh, then you feel it?
Maybe that's the
That
reason.
makes sense. I just cleaned up. All right, we're gonna grab that dessert and we'll be right back.
Like you bouncy?
Bring on the ice cream. Yay. All right, we're back with our dessert. We went to Dairy Queen. I got an Oreo cookie blizzard with cookie dough added to it. I believe it's considered like a cookie jar blizzard. But that's not like...
jar?
Yeah. Like you have the whole cookie jar in here. But but that's not really a thing, so you have to ask for it. Special made. But it's my favorite.
Yeah, I got the strawberry sundae. Very simple.
There's not any cookie chunks for me to show you. But you know, just the Oreo blizzard. Is that focusing?
It should be.
That was cold. I'm like, ooh. Poop.
The strawberry sauce is so good.
Mm-hmm. Their ice cream is so good. Love it.
I was waiting for you to do that so I could pull it.
I was doing it on purpose, like eyeing it down.
And I was protecting it on purpose with my life. Boop.
Can I have a strawberry? Ooh, look, I'll get a small one. Okay. I know, it's so good. Uh-oh, he smelled the ice cream. Get down.
That'll show him. This is one thing I can't eat fast because what are you doing? Because I get brain freeze very easily. And then it just lasts there forever.
Ice cream is meant to be enjoyed anyway.
Yeah.
It's meant to be savored.
Why can't we all just get along?
Okay, so I'm like, I don't know. a fifth of the way in, and I have not come across any cookie dough yet. So we'll see.
Uh-oh.
Wait, is that... Ooh, I found one! There's some in here. I think they literally put like 5 pieces of cookie dough in here. It's so cold.
I know, I need to slow down. But it's so good.
You getting brain freeze?
Hmm?
Are you getting a brain freeze?
I'm trying to stop before I get one. We should go back for another one.
I agree. It's weird because Oreo cookie, like Blizzards, McFlurries, all that are like my favorite, right? But then if you buy the like thing of ice cream from the store, you buy the Oreo cookie, I don't like it. Or like cookies and cream. One, like I don't like it, but
What if you get
why.
regular vanilla ice cream and then you put your own Oreos in there?
that'd be good.
Well, then maybe you should do that.
Or I'll just go to Dairy Queen.
I'm so smart. Ooh.
I made it like 2/3 of the way in, but I'm getting like really cold, so I'm gonna save this for later.
Me too.
Yep. All right. We think we know what we want for dinner, but things can change. But either way, we'll be back with something for dinner. There will be more food later. All right, we'll see you guys. Hey guys, we're back with dinner. We went to Islands Fine Burgers and Drinks is what it's called. I just refer to it as Islands. So we felt like getting some of their fries, which is kind of what they're known for. I think, you know, you get their big basket of fries there. I decided to go with a burger. It's just a basic burger. Has lettuce, pickles, tomato on it. No cheese though.
Big
so yeah,
buns.
I know.
Huge.
It's a huge bun. And then I got a whole lot of fries.
I went with the chicken tenders. They're under this pile of fries, mountain of fries here. That's it. That's all I got. Fries and chicken tenders.
And then we also got these. They're like frozen lemonades. So it says that it's basically a frozen lemonade, obviously, but with ice cream in it. So we'll see. Oh yeah, that's good.
That is good.
That is delicious.
Dang it, I might need a spoon though.
I know, it's getting stuck.
Alright, well, let's let it melt a little bit.
It's like melted. It's just like a piece of ice getting stuck or something. I don't even know. Maybe it's the ice cream. I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Got some barbecue sauce. Oh no. Go eat your food. What?
He gets all sad.
I know. Need lots of ketchup for these fries. This bun though.
Where's the meat? What is this? Oh, you wanted it?
I'll take it. I can't drink this thing. I wonder if it is that ice Ooh. Has a nice little drizzle to it.
I don't know if this is gonna be any better.
Is that any better?
I don't know. I don't think so. Cause it's also like a little bit of liquid. That's it. None of the ice cream was coming down.
Yeah, you're not gonna get that good mix of like the ice and the.
All right, change of plans. We're gonna drink this with it.
Not bad.
They're like the ends of curly fries.
Yeah. It's like the end of the potato. Going back to the straw.
It's frustrating.
You want the yumminess and yet you can't get to it. I moved the tomato over. If you don't take too big of a bite, you'll be fine over here. Yeah. Ooh. Missed it.
It's a good burger. It's a good Krabby Patty.
Not quite.
Why? Why not quite?
It's not a Krabby Patty. The crusty crab isn't real.
There's a restaurant somewhere that was made to look just like it.
I guess. Where is it at?
I don't know. And I'm not even sure they can call it that.
Rusty Rab. This is a lot of bread. I think there's more bread than meat in here.
These buns were huge. Giggity.
Delicious though. They have good barbecue sauce, huh?
That is one thing that's really good. No, that's not right.
I mean, it could be. I'm sure there's people who eat fries with barbecue sauce. Oh, you did it.
I did it on purpose after the first time I failed.
Good?
No. I wouldn't mind making that mistake. What is going
I figured
on?
that'd be okay. Barbecue sauce is just like such a universal sauce. You can put it on burgers, you can put it on pizza, you can put it on...
Your frozen lemonade.
No. You can put it on chicken strips, you can put it on just chicken, you know? It's a great condiment.
Oh, it's a little sour. I'm cold now.
Hey. Don't mess with me.
Or you're gonna lay down the hammer.
I'm gonna lay down the hammer.
Yeah.
Okay. How am I gonna do that?
You tell me.
A little bit more of an inside shot there. So I had to move the tomato for him earlier because he doesn't like tomatoes.
Yeah.
I do though. Tomatoes are awesome. Alright, I'm quite full. Look at you go. How are you feeling?
Good?
Yeah. You like the chicken strips?
Yes.
What was your favorite meal from today?
Oh my god, what do we have? It's been like the longest day.
We had Snooze for breakfast. We had Thai food and Dairy Queen for lunch.
Oh man, these are all good.
And we had this for dinner.
The Thai food? Yeah, let's go with that.
I think breakfast was my favorite.
I think breakfast is a close second for me because those hash browns are so good.
My pancakes are so good.
Well, I didn't have those. I guess I'll save this too for tomorrow. Football food. Okay.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. We're both pretty full now. We really enjoyed it. We kind of already told you what our favorite meals were from today. Let us know if you've had anything good to eat recently and if we should try anything that you have seen or are like, hey, you really need to try this because it's so good. We would love those recommendations. Like, comment, subscribe to help us out, please. And we'll see you in the next cheat day. Bye.
I can't tell. Can you tell me?
Just take it off, but I don't know. I don't know how much you think is acceptable of hair sticking up.
Well, the last video had a lot. So this is, I think it's less. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another installment of our cheat day series. So this is video number 5.
It's hard, huh? I know. It's like you know what you want to say and the words don't come out of your mouth.
Alright. Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome to another video. SpongeBob. What's going on, YouTube?
Do you want to do the outro or do you want me to do it?
You do it. I've done too much.
Can I do my dance for you?
Yes, do it.
No.
Ooh.